What's up, chopper fans? Here's Terry's Triumph, completely finished now. She's got the hand painted number plate on the back, thanks to Sam Trench. I've restored this pretty much how it was in 1986. If you read the original copy of the magazine, it did actually originally have a BSA A10 engine in it, but sadly it threw a conrod straight out the bottom, straight onto the motorway. So batting about I think the 80s or 90s, had this T120 put in it, and I've restored it. So we'll go through it. Chrome powder coated 21-inch front wheel. We had to straighten the forks and yokes out because they were completely bent. Fully moulded frame just as it was before. Oil and frame, as you can see. The engine had been dry seized, so I've took the top end off, completely rebuilt the top end, put a Webco twin carb conversion on it, just to splay the head out a bit. All the chroming on this is either powder coat or chrome paint, actually. From a company in Basildon, done the chrome paint just to keep the budget down. We've done this on a budget, and I've tried to stick to it as best as I can. But yeah, it's turned out really nice. Proper Survivor chopper, made in England as well, which is cool. It's kind of nice to keep the bit of history alive of the British chopper culture. Most of the stuff you see now is just American built stuff, but we used to build some really nice stuff back in the 80s, and this is one of them, back on the road to live another day. But yeah, it's been fully repainted, fully stripped down, fully rewired, some upgrades as well on the electronics. Yeah, and I think it's turned out bloody lovely. What do you think? Then here's a video of it running. The little thing sounds absolutely lovely. I do love the sound of a British bike. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and I love the support from you all.